Alright guys, today I want to talk about this multimeter that I got. And when you get it, it comes like this. There's a little screw that you have to remove from in here in order to put the battery in. But one of the flaws that this thing has is that you have to remove this cover here before you can actually do that. And it doesn't take AA or AAA batteries. It requires this kind of battery here, which is kind of annoying. So in the beginning, when I was first trying to put the batteries in, I thought I had to remove those two screws as well, which is not the way you do it. So if you do get this, just remember you have to remove this, and then you will have to use one of these screwdrivers here that you can get in those funny green cases to remove that. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.